Good morning, friends. Welcome to Yoga Mornings with me, Sangeeta Purwan. And I hope you're all doing good, spending a good time with your family and a good time for yourself. Hope you're all ready on your mat to join me for a session of yoga. Chaliye, mat per chair, mat per ready. I'm also ready. Let's begin. Sit in a comfortable position, Sukhasan, Padmasan, Vajrasan, or on a chair, whatever suits you. Let us first condition ourselves to begin our practice. Gentle inhalation and a gentle exhalation. बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे. अच्छी लंबी गहरी सांस ले, लंबी गहरी सांस छोड़े. You can gently close your eyes. Bring your attention, your focus to your breath. Observe your thoughts. If still elsewhere, gently bring them to the mat. A nice and gentle inhalation and a nice and gentle exhalation. A gentle smile on your face for a beautiful day, beautiful morning. Both the hands prayer position. प्रार्थना से शुरू करेंगे. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Our reverence to all Gurus of the world. Gently rub your hands, cup your eyes. Chal, we begin our practice. Any practice begin with the exercises of the joints. सूक्ष्म व्यायाम शरीर के joints को activate करते हुए. चलिए, आपकी पीठ सीधी, shoulders आपके relaxed. पहले गर्दन से शुरू करेंगे. Inhale center and exhale to the left. गर्दन पूरी तरह sideways. Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale center, exhale to the left. Inhale center, exhale right. Inhale center, exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale पूरी तरह नीचे. Inhale up. Feel the stretch. Exhaling down. चलिए, गर्दन को गोल घुमाएंगे. Clockwise, left to right. Nice gentle rotation. Reverse the other side. Nice gentle rotation of the neck. Relax, looking in. Gently tilt your neck to the left. Your hand on the forehead. हल्का सा pressure forehead पर. Feel the stretch here. Come back, the other side. Tilt your neck to the right. आपका हाथ आपके forehead पर. हल्का सा pressure. Come back. After the neck, shoulders. Gently rotate the shoulders. Up and back. Up and back. Reverse. Reverse. Relax. Stretch your hands out to the sides for the wrists. So flex your hands up, pull it down. Push it up, pull it down, up and down. Rotate. Putti banaye and rotate. The other side. Relax. One more for the shoulders. Take your hands up and gently rotate them. Nice circular movements. Reverse. Relax. Rukenge. Chaliye. Finger joints, most important. Stretch tight. Stretch tight. Give a good exercise to your finger joints. We have been using them and using them. Relax. Chaliye. Stretch your hands out, pull the fingers back. Relax. Relax. Check. Padmasana या Padmasana. Sideways stretches. थोड़ा सा पैरों को आप स्प्रेड कर सकते हैं. लेफ्ट हाथ से राइट आपका नी पकड़े. Inhaling आपका राइट हैंड अप and exhaling go down, go down, go down sideways. अच्छा stretch दे to the sides. Stay here, hold करेंगे. Gently come back. The other side, right hand on the left. Inhaling up and exhaling go down. Nice sideways stretch. ऊपर जो हाथ ऊपर है उसको हल्का सा स्ट्रेच करके रखें. Come back. एक बार फिर करेंगे. Left hand on the right knee. Inhaling up and exhaling go down to the sides. Come back to the other side. Come back. Relax. चलिए दोनों हाथ ऊपर पर्वतासन. Give a good stretch up. Breathe in and give a nice stretch up. खींचे पूरा शरीर ऊपर. Stay there. रुकेंगे. Inhale, good stretch up and exhaling, twist, twist, twist. Go to the sides. Inhale, come back. Give a stretch up, exhale to the sides. Inhale, come back, give a stretch up, exhale and relax. चलिए योगा मुद्रा करेंगे. Tie your hands at the back. पीछे दोनों elbows पकड़े इस तरह हाथों से and spread your feet nicely. चलिए hold your hands at the back. Your back is nice and straight. Inhale and exhaling go to the left. झुकेंगे left की ओर. Try to touch your nose or chin. Even if it doesn't touch, it's all right. Simply bend towards the side. Inhale, come back and exhaling the other side. Inhale, come back. एक बार फिर करेंगे. Exhale. Inhale back and exhaling go down. ये पैर ऊपर नहीं उठे. And then you go down as per your body. Inhale back and forward. Exhale, exhale, exhale. Hold your elbows at the back. Inhale back up. Relax. One more time. You're holding your elbows at the back. Yoga Mudra. Inhale. as you exhale, give a good stretch to the back and down, 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 down. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. चलिए खोलेंगे दोनों पैर सामने, पैरों की जॉइंट्स की एक्सरसाइज. पीठ सीधी, दोनों हाथों को साइड में रखें टू सपोर्ट. डू नॉट स्लाउच और गो बैक. चलिए दोनों पंजों को फ्लेक्स करें. फॉरवर्ड, बैक, स्ट्रेच, स्ट्रेच, पुल बैक, स्ट्रेच, पुल बैक, stretch, back, stretch forward and stay there. रुकेंगे, रुक रखें. Pull back. ये सारी सूक्ष्म व्यायाम आपको आसन प्रैक्टिस करने में या आसन स्थिति में रुकने में मदद करते हैं. So always begin your practice, any practice, with these sukshma vyayam or exercises of the joints. They also activate your joints, increase the blood flow at the joints. Relax. रुकेंगे. चलिए. Toes out and in. Toes out and in. Relax. रुकेंगे. चलिए आज की आसन प्रैक्टिस शुरू करते हैं. Right leg open. Bring the left leg close. This is Pavanmuktasana, seated posture. So कोशिश करना है पैर को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पास में लाएं and give a good pressure by your hand. दूसरा पैर आपका सीधा, back straight. Simply give a good pressure by the left hand. Pavanmuktasana, seated posture. Hold करेंगे few seconds. ये सारे बेनिफिट्स जो हम पवनमुक्तासन लेट कर करते हैं, this gives the same benefits in a seated posture. Relax. रुकेंगे. Okay. पवनमुक्तासन से अब जाएंगे हम मरीचासन. So bring the left hand out, wrap it around the left knee, and with the right hand hold the fingers at the back and twist your body. कोशिश करना है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पीछे देखने की. ये पैर आपका सीधा. अगर फिंगर्स होल्ड करना डिफिकल्ट है तो एक हैंकरचीफ रखें, उससे इस तरह पीछे होल्ड करें. डू एज पर योर बॉडी. ट्राई टू गो बैक, ट्विस्ट, ट्विस्ट, ट्विस्ट. Gently come back. Relax. Take your left leg. On the right, we will do Ardha Padmasana, Paschimottanasana. So breathing in up, give a stretch up, and exhaling, go down. Hold your toes and try to go down. अपने शरीर के अनुसार करें. Do not overstretch. Do not do over to your body. अगर आप केवल इतना ही झुक सकते हैं तो उतना ही करें. Select your angle, your posture, which is most comfortable. Inhale, come back, relax. The other side, right leg up, Pavanmuktasana. Hold it nice and tight, giving a good pressure. आपके पेट पर. Stay there, रुकेंगे. Relax. चलिए from Pavanmukta, Marichasana. So right पैर ऊपर है, right हाथ को wrap around करें on the left, on the right knee, and hold the fingers at the back. Twist your body. कोशिश करना है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पीछे देखें. It's a wonderful stretch to the back. Squeezes your abdomen organs. Chaliye. Take the right leg down. Ardha Padmasana, Paschimottanasana. So inhale up and exhaling forward. अपने शरीर के अनुसार करें. If you can bend more, bend more. If it is difficult, you can hold it here and stay here. Listen to your body. Inhale, come back and exhale, relax. Chaliye. Holding left pair bahar, right pair nice and wide. Bring the left in, puri tarah andar, and right pair to the sides. Beat it forward bend, sideways now. Chaliye, breathing in up. Give a good stretch up. Exhaling, turn your body and go down. Go down, go down, go down. With the left hand, you will hold the toe. The right hand goes back and you're looking back. Come back, breathing in up and exhaling down, 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 down. And now with the left hand, opposite hand you will hold the toe. The other hand comes forward and you twist and look forward. Stay here, hold here. Breathing in, come back, stretch up and exhale and twist. Come back, relax. These sideways stretches give a wonderful stretch to your spine, forward and back, and the twist back relaxes it. Chaliye, left pair bahar nikale. इस तरह stretch it nice and wide. If you can bring it to the side, right pair पूरी तरह शरीर के पास. Breathe in up and exhaling. Turn, turn, turn. With the right hand, hold the left toe. The other hand goes back and you are twisting and looking back. Inhaling, come back up. And exhaling, go to the sides, sides, sides. With the right hand, hold the toe. Left hand is on the knee, on your thigh. Hold the toe. If it is difficult to hold the toe, you can keep your hands up. That is all right. Give a nice sideways stretch to the back. Hold here, a few more breaths. Chaliye. Inhaling, come up. Exhale, the left hand on the knee. Twist. Come back, relax. Paschimottanasana. Keep your feet straight. Lift it. And exhaling, go down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, relax. If it is difficult to touch your head, you can gently hold your knees. It's all right. We'll do it once more. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, go down. You can slightly fold your knees. gives a good stretch from the heels to the neck. Entire back, Paschimottanasana. And once in the asana, if you feel you can take your knees down, take it. Inhale, come up, exhale, relax. Paschimottanasana, the counter asana, Purvottanasana. So for Purvottanasana, take your hands at the back and inhaling, lift the body up. Giving a nice stretch to the front. Relax. Check. Friends, now few asanas on the fours, the cat and cow, downward dog, the pigeon pose, and the child pose. Chali, come on your fours. Feet below hips, hands below shoulders. Breathe in. Neck out, hips out, press the back down. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Push the back up. Inhale. Exhale. Chali, inhaling to normal. Gently raise the left leg up. Once the body is ready, raise the right hand and give a stretch. पीछे हाथ को आगे, पैर को पीछे. Give a good stretch. Come back. The other side. Raise the right leg up. When you're ready, raise the left hand and give a good stretch. हाथ आगे, पैर पीछे. Come down. One more round of cat and cow. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Curl your feet. Exhale and lift your body up in the downward dog. Adjust your body. You can relax your feet. Try to get deeper. Hips pointed upwards. Nice inverted V of the body. कोशिश करेंगे आपकी heels जमीन को touch हो. अगर नहीं हो रही तो कोई बात नहीं. But try to see if you can bring your heels to the floor. We will stay here for a few breaths. Inhale and exhaling. Come down. The downward dog, wonderful for the brain because the blood flow is directed to the brain. So stay in the asana for a few breaths and we will do it once again. You may feel your head a little heavy, but it's wonderful for the brain and it comes back to normal. Chali, once again, on your pose, inhale, curl your feet and exhaling, go into downward dog. Adjust your body. Okay, from here we go to the pigeon pose. Inhale. Exhaling, take your right leg forward between the hands. आपके दोनों पैर straight one line and you are facing the right. Both the hands and knee nice one straight line. Chest open. Imagine a pigeon. Pigeon pose, Kapotasana. Lift your body up. Throw your head a little back. Stay here for a few breaths. Inhale and exhaling we go down. Breathing in, come back. Pigeon pose. Let your body be nice and high, the chest open. Curl your toe. Inhale, lift up, go back into the downward dog. Hold here for a few breaths. Pigeon pose from the left. Inhale. Take the left leg forward. Gently place it down between the two hands. Here both the feet, one straight line. Lift your chest up. Open up your chest and push the head back. Stay here for a few breaths. Inhale and exhaling, gently go down. Inhale, come up. Lift your body up, nice and high. Open up the chest. And then take your leg a little down. Come back. Curl your toe. Inhale, lift the body up to downward dog. Hold here for a few breaths. Come down on your knees. And we take a short break into the child pose. So open up your knees, your toes are together. Seat your hips on the toes and gently walk your hands forward. Leave your body loose. Let the entire spine relax in the child pose. Breathing in, come back. Child. Friends, that was with our asana practice for today. And now time for some pranayam. Sit in a comfortable posture, Sukhasan, Padmasan, Padmasan, Vajrasan, or on a chair as it suits you. But your position should be nice and comfortable. Chali. And before the pranayam, Kapalbhati, Shuddhi Kriya, to clean the nasal passage and the respiratory tract. Only exhalation, passive inhalation, and pull your tummy in as you exhale. 50 strokes. Chali. Breathe in. That was 50 strokes of Kapalbhati. मैं रोज कहती हूँ अपने आप कपालभाति के स्ट्रोक्स धीरे धीरे बिल्ड करें 100 to 150 slowly every day. You can build up to 25 more and slowly build up. Ideal for a healthy body is around 250 to 300 strokes. And अगर आप हार्ट पेशेंट हैं तो ये आपका स्ट्रोक्स बिल्कुल जेंटल होंगे इस तरह. So take care and slowly build up. Wonderful to clean your nasal passage and respiratory tract. चलिए प्राणायाम करेंगे. पीठ सीधी, आपकी shoulders relax. Normal and gentle breathing. Slowly building up. बिल्कुल आराम से, बड़ी सहजता से. भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम करेंगे. भस्त्रिका is inhale and exhale. It may be with the pressure or may not be, it's all right. But since हमने अभी कपालभाति किया है, and we'll do Bhastrika with a little stroke, a gentle pressure. So how do we do it? 10 strokes. And yes, heart patients, your flow has to be very gentle. For the others, you can keep I use the hands, so say the pressure is more, the thrust is more in your breath. Keep your hands. Relax. Come back to normal breathing. Ujjayi. Inhale and exhale, engaging the muscles of your throat. You can keep your hands in Gyan Mudra. ऊंचाई करते वक्त जो हमारे सांसों द्वारा जो साउंड क्रिएट होता है, ऐसा लगता है मानो समुद्र में लहरें उठ रही हो, उस तरह का साउंड क्रिएट होगा. So try to practice not difficult, as if you are engaging or using these muscles of your throat. Very, very powerful pranayam. Ujjayi. Jai matlab jeetna. So anything is possible once you master this pranayam. You can gently close your eyes and observe the sound created. Few normal breaths. Practice Ujjayi every day to strengthen your respiratory tract. Builds your immunity. Normal but deep breathing. Let your hands be in Gyan Mudra, your shoulders relax. Your back nice and straight. And gently close your eyes. Nice and gentle inhalation and nice and gentle exhalation. As you inhale and exhale, you can enjoy the sound of this bird. A gentle smile on your face. Slowly inhale a little deeper and exhale a little more. As you close your eyes, you look within. Try and connect it to yourself with every breath that goes in. Mind is calm and the body is relaxed. Bring your thoughts and words towards you. The gentle smile on your face as a feeling of gratitude to God for this beautiful day and this beautiful time. Shri Omkar. Shoulders relaxed, back nice and straight, eyes closed. Both hands in Gyan Mudra. Nice deep inhalation. Stay as it is. Feel the vibrations created by Omkar. Omkar, the sound of the universe. Fill your practice with this sound. Both the hands, prayer position. Recite any prayer that you have your faith in. Gently bow down. Friends, that was with about today's practice. I hope you all have had a good session of yoga and pranayama with me. An emotional moment for me. It's been 40 days, 22nd of March, the lockdown day. when I started with this, जब ये छोटी सी कोशिश मैंने शुरू की थी उस दिन, and it's been 40 days तब से आज तक योगा और प्राणायाम का ये सेशन लाइव, और मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आप धीरे धीरे इतने लोग जुड़ गए हैं, and so many of you are practicing and taking benefit of this practice of yoga and pranayam, and I'm able to share a little of whatever that I know. आप में से कई लोगों के बहुत प्यार भरे मैसेजेस मुझे आए हैं कि ये सेशन मैं कंटिन्यू रखूं. I'm very humbled by your request, and I'm not going anywhere. मैं यही हूँ. Almost 30 to 35 sessions, live sessions हैं recorded, which are there on the Facebook. So I will myself share one new session every day for you to continue your practice. And I'm adding a little more to this. Monday से I'm beginning a new series. It's 21 days, 10 minutes. So ये नई series जो है, it would be only for 10 minutes, and it is problem specific or some issue specific. Can be 10 minutes to take care of your lower back pain, or 10 minutes asanas to take care of your knee pain, or 10 minutes for diabetes, help you control diabetes, or for thyroid. So इस तरह से because regular practice of asanas will help you in these ailments. I won't say they cure, but they do help you in speeding up the cure of them. So आप ये कर सकते हैं कि 40 minutes का आप regular flow जरूर से practice करें, जो मैं हर रोज सुबह 8 बजे I will be sharing it. So आपको लगेगा I'm there every day, and you can then add these 10-minute sequence to your practice. So this will directly benefit to those जिन्हें अगर कोई issue उस problem को related है, तो and your suggestions, your comments are also most welcome. If you feel you want me to add anything or include to that 10 minutes, could be any problem, so do share and I will include. So every day morning 8 o'clock I will be posting one of my videos, and you won't miss me. I will be there with you every day, and I'm also adding with these 10-minute asanas, the 10-minute flow, and also all of these videos are available on my Facebook page, my YouTube channel Sangeeta's Yoga Sutra, and my website sangeetasYogasutra.com. All these links I will be sharing in the description, so you can directly see from there. And मेरी एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे कि इस प्रैक्टिस को कंटिन्यू रखें, चालू रखें. लॉकडाउन खुलना शायद शुरू हो जाए कुछ हिस्सों में, बाकी में जैसे जैसे खुलेगा, but even after that keep continuing the practice. These 40-minute sequences are there, and they are a sequence complete in themselves with Sukshma Vyayam and the asana practice and the pranayam. So these 40 minutes are enough for you to stay healthy and stay immune. And of course do share with others to take benefit. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों का फ़ायदा होने दे, क्योंकि योग ऐसी चीज़ है जिसकी सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है हमें अभी इस वक्त में. Your views, your comments, your messages, most welcome. And I will also like to say कि ये जो वक्त मिला है हमें, थोड़ा सा सोचने की ज़रूरत है इंडिविजुअली, हमें अपने खुद के लिए, कि जब ये लॉकडाउन खुल जाएगा, सो बिफोर दैट लेट अस थिंक, पॉन्डर व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग, क्या गलत हुआ जो ये स्थिति आई. लेट अस थिंक अ लिटिल. दूसरे क्या कर रहे हैं उससे नहीं, हमें क्या करना है, हमारे हमसे क्या हुआ है जो ये स्थिति आई है, और हमें before we go back to the normal life after the lockdown, what is it that we need to make changes, make those small changes in our own thought process and in our own life. So let us begin from there. योगासन करने के बाद एक 5 मिनट दीजिए अपने आप को, बैठे सोचे, and try to bring those small changes in your life. I think that will make a lot of difference, and that is what is the best that we can do or contribute to this situation. Everyone, stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, have a good day. Thank you.